Configuring The Sims 4 for low performance can help improve gameplay on systems with limited resources. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Open The Sims 4. Launch the game from your desktop or gaming platform. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding. Step 2. Access game options. Once in the main menu, click on the Options button. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various game preferences. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. In the Options menu, navigate to the Graphics tab. Lower the settings for resolution, texture quality, and other graphical features to reduce the load on your system. Step 4. Modify gameplay settings. Next, go to the Gameplay tab. Disable features like enable high-quality graphics and reduce the number of sims and objects that can be displayed in the game to improve performance. Step 5. Save and restart. After making all the necessary adjustments, click Apply to save your changes. Restart the game to ensure that all settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to configure The Sims 4 for better performance on lower-end systems. Enjoy your gaming experience.